GermWrap, we're out here at home dialysis. We're here to make sure that everyone understands that they're taking the steps to protect the community. They've been out here taking the extra care so that when you come in, you don't feel like you're in any type of environment where you're risking yourself. I don't know if you guys have heard or know what they do, but I have Miss Faith here so she can explain to you all what they do for the community and how they're helping make this particular city a better city for everyone involved.
Thank you so much, Manuel. So I'm Faith. I'm the social worker here at Home Dialysis. So we offer everything in-home. We offer peritoneal dialysis, next stage dialysis, and staff assist dialysis where the nurse actually comes into the home. All the training is done in the home, as well as all the home visits. You only have to go to see your doctor quarterly in the office. The other 2 times during the quarter, you get to do a televisit. We do cover COVID patients, Hep B positive patients, trach patients. We have a bilingual staff, and so we do offer everything in English and Spanish. If there's any questions, please feel free to call us at the office or check out our website, www.athomedialysis.com. Look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you, everyone. Look forward to seeing you all and coming and taking care and supporting at home dialysis.